What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am right now in the Wynwood District for the first time ever in Miami, and yes, I'm wearing the same clothes from my last video because I shot both videos in the same day. This is for all you guys out there that live in states where you have riding seasons, so I'm going to give you guys the opportunity to live, or rather ride vicariously through me as I show you guys some of the scenes here in Miami, Florida. Let's check it out. Today's ride begins from the historical Wynwood Art District and will take us on a journey to downtown Miami to the Bayside Marketplace. As we cruise through the Wynwood District, we can see stunning murals and art everywhere we look. And of course, I catch the train. Gotta admit, that was pretty cool. This ride could have not been done on a better day. Partly cloudy, sunny skies, typical South Florida weather. Pretty soon, we can see the Miami skyline and skyscrapers in the background. I decided to take the scenic route so I can take in the breathtaking backdrop here in Miami. Magnificent. And approximately 14 minutes later, I made it to downtown Miami. As I arrived at the Bayside Marketplace, I was surrounded by tourists and people eager to go and have a good time. Okay, so we did it, people. We made it to Bayside. Kind of sweaty because it's a nice hot day. The Bayside Marketplace is a two-story open-air marketplace where tourists from all over the world come to enjoy the festivities. So one thing you'll see about Miami is that people just stand in the middle of the walkway and they would not move out of your way. They just stand there. I don't know why that is, but people tend to be in their own world, self-centered down here. So they would literally stand in the middle of the way like these people right here and refuse to move out of the way. It's unreal. Okay, so we just walked out of the main entrance of Bayside where you can see all the flags. Right up there behind me, pretty much displayed. As you walk through the Bayside Marketplace, you can enjoy many of your shopping pleasures. And if you want some churros, you can have that too. Let's not forget about the Bayside birds that just take over and invade the marketplace. Bayside birds. Now we're going to go out to the outer deck by the waterway and see what's up over here. nice music here. From the second story, you can enjoy the breathtaking views. The spirit of Fort Lauderdale was also topped here today. And in the background, the world famous Hard Rock Cafe. And right next to it, the Bayside Ferris wheel, which you can see from the highway. This area is particularly beautiful at night. You can partially see the Miami Heat Arena right over there, back there. If you want some Lombardi's pizza, you can also stop and indulge in that. Okay, so I just stopped at Mason's famous lobster rolls, and every time I've been here I always wanted to try it, so I'm going to give it a try and let you guys know what it's like. The Bayside Marketplace is always an enjoyable place for me to ride out to. Okay guys, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this content, just do your boy a favor, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button, hit the notification bell so that you receive a notification every time I drop another video. Then also just leave a comment in the comment section below also and just let me know. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one.